Yeah. Look at that big guy on the
Oh, windmill.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Did you see the amusement park that was over there?
Yeah.
With the roller coaster?
Yeah. Actually, it's much of a roller coaster. I had to sit down. I can't sit my hands longer. But anyways, I saw this one before.
Yeah, but some of them are new displays. Not all of them are from before.
There's no white underneath there.
Oh, I have that swimming pool.